Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to start 3 conversations and responses to those as well. So the first one is going to be, how are you? So when you sign how are you, you're actually signing how you. In sign language, you don't include all the short little words like a and the, are, is, different things like that. It's a very simple language where you can show expression through body language as well. So let's get started on showing you how you. How, you're going to have both your hands, start with them together here, and then go down, move towards you, and come out. How. How. You. And just point to the person. When you say, how are you, you probably want to have an expression on your face where you're asking a question like this. How are you? The response can be, me, fine. I'm fine. Point to yourself, fine. It's going to be like a 5, touch the thumb to your chest and go out. Me or I, fine. How are you? I'm fine. The second question that we can ask to start a conversation is, what's your name? When we sign that, we actually say, your name what? Your, or you can point to them, you. Name, make use with both your hands. You're going to cross your fingers over like this. Tap, tap. What? Your name what? My name, and then spell your name. So for example, your name what? My name, Luanne. My sign name is Luanne. The last one and the third one is going to be, how old are you? When you actually sign that, that means old or age and you. That's all you need to say. Old, you. So you're going to do very similar to orange, okay? Old. So you're going to kind of close your hand and pull down. Like, think of it like a beard, Old, you. How old are you? You. So just do this twice. Me, 35, old. Me, 35, old. So again, how old are you? Me, 35, old. So I hope you enjoy those conversation starters, and feel free to ask me any questions if you have them, and I hope you have a great day, guys. Bye.